Bye. Welcome to Cryptocurrency Blockchain News, your daily cryptocurrency blockchain aggregated news show on YouTube. Look, it's going to be drinking. Look, it's going to be smoking. Look, it's going to be swearing. Look, you've been warned. So look, here you come. Here I come. 3, look, 2, look, 1. Bang. Welcome, everybody. Black, white, gay, straight, Christian, Muslim, Jew. Bang. Welcome, everybody. My name is Shomari Clarke. Welcome to Cryptocurrency Blockchain News. Oh, the greatest show on earth. The greatest show in the multiverse. Greatest show in the daggone multiverse. I have a great one for you today. Bang! All right, guys. It's rock and roll here. Look! Great show in the multiverse. Greatest in the multiverse. My bad. So look. Let's just get to this. So, all right. So, you know how it goes around here, guys. So, I hope everyone had a nice day yesterday. Actually, I'm not going to bullshit you. 7:12 in the morning. Look. I'm lit. So, look. But I'm still functional. So, we're going to do this now. So, look, guys. We're going to do the ETF watch. So, the SEC rejects WisdomTree's Bitcoin ETF. Obviously, we got to talk about that. You know how we do. We watch the ETFs around here. Oh, but here's another ETF. But the first NFT-focused ETF is going to be on the New York Stock Exchange. Bang! So that's new. That's different. And then, so we talked about India. You know about India. 1 in 5 people on Earth are Indians. 1 in 5. 1 in 5, dog. 1 in 5. It's important. India is going to regulate crypto, not ban it. I'll read about that. And then the shout-outs and daily summaries per usual. So, let's proceed. We proceed with a bang. Whoops. Where are you going over here? Oh, and then this bang over here then. Bang. There we go. And then do a little bit of refresh. All right. Yeah, we got our basil here. Our basil in South Beach here, so. Yeah, I haven't been to bed yet. It's 7:18 in the morning. I'm going to do the show and then go to bed. All right. We talk about price of Bitcoin. 57,105. $57,105. When left yesterday, we're at $56,571. So we've gone up. $534. Up $534. All right. Look, top 10 today, brothers and sisters. Hold on. Prepare myself. All right. Top 10 today. Top 10. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance Coin, Tether, Solana, Cardano, XRP, USD Coin, Polkadot, and Dogecoin. Let's look at the market moves of the day. Sickle this up, sickle this down. Oh, shit. Oh, look at you, Polygon. Bang. Yeah, should be. With all those daggone onboardings of late. Should be. All right. Sickle this up, sickle this down. Sickle this up, sickle this down. Look at you, Cosmos. Bang. Sickle this up, sickle this down. Sickle this up, sickle this down. Sickle this up, sickle this down. 2. Sickle this up, sickle this down. All right, let's see who lost money today. If you see anything here you like, go get it because it's on sale. But let's check out what we got. Whoops. Bang. There we go. Top 10 losers. of the day. All right, top 10 losers. Immutable X, Avalanche, Gala, Kadena, Waves, Elron, Voyager Token, Loop Ring, Curve.io, and Maker. Let's see who made money today. Bye. A couple gains in here. Top 10 gainers. Cosmos, Polygon, Stellar, Oasis Network, Near Protocol, OKB, Zcash, Ravencoin, Unicelio, and Nexo. All right, let's see what the total market cap is. All right, total market cap is $2.642 trillion. When I left you yesterday, we're at $2.592 trillion. So you've gone up exactly $0.050 trillion. All right, let's check out what the 24-hour volume is. Yeah. All right. 24 volume is $116.4 billion. When I left you yesterday, we're at $125.9 billion. We've gone down. What would that be? $9.5 billion. All right. Let's get to the stories. Let's get to these daggone stories, boys and girls. Bang! SEC rejects WisdomTree application for spot Bitcoin ETF. So, obviously, you all know about all this. I don't even like to explain shit, but just to say it in case there's new people. We're going to watch all the ETFs applications here in America. This is one of them, and it is rejected. Okay, so just keep it easy. Which sucks because it was a spot ETF. Oh, okay, and so I guess that's what we should say, is that the SEC in America has been approving ETFs that are made out of Bitcoin futures contracts. They're allowing those ones in, but spot Bitcoin futures, no. Yeesh, which is a yeesh. I'd rather the other way around, really, but anyway, that's life and that's how it goes, and so let's read it. Fuck, enough of my yap. All right, Luke. All right, well, let me get a sip. All right, well, fuck it. Let me sip and yap then. Fuck this. If I'm going to have a sip, let me yap. So that's the batch. That's the batch. If you're new here, spot ETFs take Bitcoins off of the market. Pretty much forever unless the fund fails. Which they usually don't. And so that creates scarcity. Makes those Bitcoins just a little more valuable. All right, so let's read it. But you guys know what's up. Fuck, we've talked about this 100 times. Let's just get through this story and get on to some real shit. The United States Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, has officially disapproved. So, y'all know, and I just got to say this for new people, guys. Don't worry, guys. But if you're new, the SEC works when you apply for something with the SEC to give an investment vehicle. Three things can happen. The SEC can approve you, yay, deny you, boo-hoo, or not do anything. In which case, it's up to you whether you want to launch or not. But you got to face the consequences later, if there are any for you. So what you don't want denial. So that's what's happened here. This is they got denied. They got shitted on. So that's not going to work. That's not going to happen. So that's how it works. Approved, denied, or it's up to you, dog, kind of thing, all right? It's up to you, dog, but, shit can go down later, so it's up to you. So these guys got denied. So look, I'm not even going to read this whole thing because you guys understand what this means. The thing that sucks about this is a spot ETF, spot market ETF. So they're actually taking Bitcoins off the market, right? So that's what sucks about this denial. But, Gary Gensler, big brains. That's the head commissioner of the SEC. This motherfucker, not a motherfucker. He's a big brains, and they're beautiful, and they're lovely. They're lovely. They're fabulous and gorgeous brains. He's a beautiful master. He's a master. The SEC, the beautiful master. But he's being stingy. He's being a little stingy with his ETF approvals. He's only going to allow one kind, the futures contract ones. Well, big brains, dog. I love you, big brains. I'd kiss those brains if I could. But big brains, what's the difference between the futures market ones and a spot market one? It's still tracking the price of the underlying asset, which is Bitcoin, my brother. Daggone brains. Daggone. So look, that's the problem. So if you're new to this channel, you don't get it. Spot market takes Bitcoins actually off the market to put in the fund. A fund is a basket of assets. You put shit in it. And he's approved futures contracts ETFs. Yeah, but they don't take Bitcoin off the market. They're already derivatives. They're already just tracking the price of it. They don't even take them off the market. So, Doc, you get it now, right? You get it? So that's why we need spot market ETFs to take the shit actually off the market. Because everybody knows once a fund is built, it's going to live forever. And so meaning, those Bitcoins are gone forever. We don't have to worry about some whale dumping them on the market. Once they're in a fund, they're not dumping anything. They're going to hodl forever and ever and ever and ever and ever. But that's what we need. That's what we desire. Yes. That's what we want. If you're a market master, you understand what I'm saying. Look, Killer Bees, let's move on. According to Wednesday filing, the SEC rejected a proposal. Rule change from CBOE, BZX Exchange to list and trade shares of WisdomTree Bitcoin Trust. Bang! Denied. Specifically, the SEC said any rule change in favor of approving the ETF would not be designed to prevent fraudulent and manipulative acts and practices, nor protect investors and the public interest, which is a bunch of bullshit. It's a bunch of bullshit. You already approved the fucking futures ETFs. You're just tracking the asset. Futures. So a futures contract is, here's the contract, here's the asset. So the asset, Bitcoin. Bitcoin goes up, the value of the futures go up. Bitcoin, sorry. Hiccups. Bitcoin goes down there, everything goes, the futures contract goes down. Yeah, well, what's the spot market? It's just the price of Bitcoin. Whoa, what the fuck? All right. I'm fueled, so I don't want to get too into it because I'll fucking sit here and talk your guys' ears off. I want to get through this pretty quickly, actually. I don't give a fuck. I'll sit here and talk to you for 5 hours. Hey. I know you're not going to like that. Look. Well, you probably would, actually, but, well, some of you would. Some of you are smart. But anyway, look. So, shit. The SEC concluded that BZX had not met the requirements of listing a financial product under its rules, in addition to the Exchange Act, saying the Bitcoin ETF proposal would not allow the Commission to obtain information necessary to detect, integrate, and deter fraud and market manipulation, which is a bunch of bullshit, as well as violations of exchange rules and applicable federal securities laws and rules. So anyways, in addition, the SEC said that the exchange had not provided sufficient means to prevent fraudulent and manipulative acts and practices in any potential listing. All right, I'm not going to get into it. Specifically, the agency claimed that BZX did not provide enough data to conclude the crypto market is resistant to manipulation or address concerns about possible sources of fraud and manipulation, including wash trading and other risk factors. That's bullshit. Wash trading, if you're going to do what, first of all right. Let's talk real now. All right, let's get deep now. These motherfuckers are going to bring us deep now. Let's go deep now. All right, look. You can wash trade on a certain exchange, right? But which can manipulate the hold on. Settle down. Right? You can do wash trading and stuff, but the price of Bitcoin is the price of Bitcoin beyond any one exchange. So you can wash trade on one exchange, say Coinbase or Binance or something. All right, but you can't wash trade them all. So you can't really manipulate the price. Well, first of all, wash trading doesn't even manipulate the price of Bitcoin. In fact, wash trading is a way that these exchanges pretend that they have so much volume when they really don't. So that's what wash trading is about. First of all, that's a bunch of bullshit. It's more the front running and shit like that you got to worry about. Well, not front running, because front running doesn't manipulate the price, so to speak, right? These guys are just making money off what they know is coming. All right. Look. I've been drinking already, and so I got to chill. I don't want to. But you understand. You guys who've been here, you understand. If you're new, look. Go to Investopedia, look up wash trading, look up front running, stuff like that. And so, but they're saying wash trading going on, well, could possibly affect the price. That's garbage. Because the price of the Bitcoin is the price of the fucking Bitcoin. No matter what. Whether it's spot market or futures market, I don't give a fuck, options, swaps, all of them. The price is the price. Now, I understand. The SEC is going to ask, and I know, you fucking market boys out there, you're saying, but Shomari, these guys have to get their spot market price from somewhere. Yes, they do. And they can't get it just from one exchange. Yes, I know, because it could be open for manipulation. Absolutely. But when you said you're going to get it from like 5, 6, 7, 10 different exchanges, aggregate the price, and make that your spot market price, that's not manipulatable. If you have that much money that you can manipulate fucking 5, 6 exchanges, you're not in this space. And you wouldn't be doing that. You'd be making real money in the real markets, motherfucker. Like, well, and obviously you have, because you have the money to do that. And so you see what I'm saying? They're making up an excuse of, well, someone could do this and this. Yeah, they could, but they wouldn't. Right? And plus, if you did manipulate 5 exchanges, well, you'd catch them. And so, all right, see, this is what I'm talking about. So let's just read on. Yeah, I don't want to just kill you with the details. You guys know that who've been here for a while. If you're new, though, it's the bullshit that they're talking about. And it's a bunch of bullshit. You can't, if you had the money to manipulate 5, 6, 7 exchanges to make the price of Bitcoin move up and down, you wouldn't do it, because you're already a monster. You know what I mean? You're already making money legit, right? You wouldn't do that. So look, but the commission can conclude, based on BZX's statements alone, and absent any evidence of analysis in support of BZX's assertions, that it is unlikely that trading in the ETP would be the predominant influence on prices in the CME Bitcoin futures market, said the filing. All right. So that's what they're saying, right? The guys who filed it said, "Bad." You're not. Basically, they're saying you can't manipulate the price. So since originally filing its application with the SEC on March 26th, WisdomTree has seen the commission delay a decision on its spot Bitcoin ETF several times in 2021. The SEC opened the app. Okay, look, man, look. Just fuck. We're not going to read all this. This is a bunch of bullshit. Look, bang! The SEC denied WisdomTree's ETF. That's all you need to know. We don't have to read all it. Let's move on. Bang! All right, here's some shit. Oh, yeah, this shit too, though. This is some new shit. So, bang! NFT-focused ETF. And it's going to list on the New York Stock Exchange. Oh, yeah. How'd they get away with that, Shomari? Good question. That's what I want to know. How the fuck these guys get away with that? I'm not going to lie to you. How the fuck are you getting away with that? I haven't read this yet. I just found this about 10 minutes before I started the show, and I was like, oh, well, fuck. I got to talk about this one. So I just picked it out. So I don't know either. But, yeah, so we'll see. So an NFT-focused ETF. Bang. And so let's look at this. Let's look at the byline. The launch comes as Cointelegraph Research projects non-fungible token sales. All right, whatever, fucking hell. Anyway, bang. Bang. A new ETF, an NFT ETF. This is quite interesting indeed. So, let me have a sip and we shall proceed. Right? Like, what are you going to do? Buy ETF? I don't understand. Because you have to put the assets in the basket. All right, let's see. Let's just see how this works. Like I said, I just found this, so I have no idea. I have nothing really to say about it. Let me get a couple sips and we'll be out of here. We'll start. All right. Yeah, that's interesting. So, on Thursday, registered investment advisor and fintech firm Defiance announced it has launched the first non-fungible token-focused exchange-traded fund. Bang! There we go. On the New York Stock Exchange, ARCA. The fund is listed under the... So this is already launched. So these fuckers, for some reason... All right, let's just read and then we'll talk in a second. We'll yap in a second. On the New York Stock Exchange, ARCA. The fund is listed under the ticker symbol NFTZ and has a management fee of 0.65 per year. The fund does not directly buy and hold ETF. The fund does not directly buy and hold NFTs to store in wallets. Instead, it tracks an index of companies operating or intending to venture into the NFT space. So this is that peripheral shit we were talking about. Peripheral, right? They're not investing in the actual assets. They're investing in things that do work around that asset, right? I guess you call it maybe the ecosystem. Remember we talked like Soros when he wasn't buying Bitcoin directly. They were investing in companies around Bitcoin, the exchanges, the miners, the whatevers, right? The custodians and shit like this. All right. So where are we? The fund does not directly buy and hold NFTs to store in wallets. Instead, it tracks an index of companies operating or intending to venture into the NFT space, as well as the metaverse. The BITA NFT and Blockchain Select Index, which the fund intends to mirror, is maintained by a Germany-based based fintech company, BITA. Huh. All right. So these guys have an index that they're going to use for their ETF. All right. So notable holdings in the fund include Coinbase, Cloudflare, Pliby Group, Playboy, Marathon Digital, and Hut 8 Minting. Its biggest holding is Silvergate Capital at 6.74 of its net assets. Unbeknownst to most investors, Silvergate is one of the world's largest gateway for crypto to fiat transactions among centralized cryptocurrency exchanges and financial institutions. All right. So during the third quarter alone, Silvergate helped facilitate over $162 billion worth of such transactions. The NFTZ ETF holds a total of 34 companies in its portfolio. Regarding the announcement, Sylvia Jablonski, co-founder and chief investment officer of Defiant, said, "The NFT revolution will fundamentally change the economic model for artists, athletes, creators, and many more industries that we can't even conceive of today. NFTs could be bigger than the internet." All right. So, which it won't. I mean, you're joking. You're buying digital art. Come on. In addition to the NFTZ, I know, the metaverse thing, the metaverse stuff, though. In addition to the NFTZ, the fintech firm also plans to launch a basket of ETF tracking the latest information technology and biotech. All right, whatever, man. Fuck. Bang. So, there it is. A new NFT-focused ETF. I just thought it was kind of interesting. It doesn't buy actual NFTs, but it's invested in the periphery around NFTs. So, all right, let's move on. Bang. India to regulate, not ban crypto cabinet documents. So, we've been waiting for these cabinet, right? The cabinet is the one that's how do you say this? Pushing for what they want, right? What Narendra Modi wants. Oh. And so, all right, let's read what the cabinet's saying. And obviously, I'm not going to go through it all, but India's been a shit show for many, many years. I'm not going to get into it tonight. So, but, all right. So that's it. So, according to reports from local media, the Indian government will not move for an outright ban on crypto and will instead regulate the sector. And that's all we ask for. Just regulate and let your whales come. Let your market monsters come. On November 23rd, Cointelegraph reported that the Indian government was considering a bill proposing the creation of an official digital currency while imposing a ban on all private, as you see in quotation, cryptocurrencies. So the news sparked panic selling on local exchanges and WazirX the following day. The bill's vague wording and lack of clarification from the government have since left many onlookers divided on the prospects for crypto in India. Like people don't know, right? India, look, if you're new to this channel, let me just tell you, India's been fucking around for years and years and years. That's all I'm going to say about that right now. But Indian news outlet NDTV reported on Thursday that it had obtained details of a cabinet note circulating in the government regarding the proposed crypto bill. So NDTV reporter Sune Prabhu said that the note contained suggestions to regulate cryptocurrencies as crypto assets, with the Securities Exchange Board of India overseeing the regulations of local crypto exchanges. According to Prabhu, investors will be given a specific time frame to declare their crypto holdings and transfer them to exchanges regulated by the SCBI. All right, well, bang, that's awesome. Exactly, regulated exchanges. That's fine. We don't mind that. That's what we want. Actually, that's exactly what we want, because we want India's whales to come, and they need to come on regulated exchanges. And so, which suggests that private wallets may be banned. Who cares? So he added that this is part of a push from the government to prevent money laundering and terrorist financing. In other words, to become FATF compliant. You all know what FATF is. If you don't, Google it. FATF, Financial Action Task Force. That's what the whole world is under right now. The financial markets of all the world. Prabhu also said the government will put its plans for a central bank digital currency, CBDC, with the Reserve Bank of India, RBI, on hold, while it focuses on the crypto sector. It will not allow any crypto assets to be recognized as currencies or legal tender. That's what they care about. They don't want the wannabe money. They're not worried about your V-chains and your Stellas and your IOTAs. Don't worry about that. Or legal tender, suggesting that it's aiming to provide a clear distinction between the two. Exactly. There's a distinction between wannabe money, Zcash, Monero, Bitcoin Cash, stablecoins, and distributed ledger technology services providers. VeChain, IOTA, Stellar, Polygon, Chainlink, Singularity Net, on and on and on and on. Okay? Two different things. And so they don't want exactly what I told you was going to happen in India. Well, I didn't say it was going to happen in India, but what I was hoping was going to happen, and it seems like it is happening. That's the better way to say it. I'm not a fortune teller. I don't know what the fuck's going to happen, but they're going to regulate these things as currencies over there, but our distributed ledger technology services providers are DLT services providers. Good to go. So cryptocurrencies as legal tender will not be accepted. All right, they don't want that wannabe money stuff. Fuck that shit. That's not what we're invested in. That is a clear no. I think that is what even the Prime Minister in his deliberations at the meeting made absolutely clear to ensure that does not take place. Fine, that doesn't affect us. That doesn't affect us. I think they will do it, CBDC, as a standalone virtual currency for the RBI at a later stage. So you can definitely expect a virtual currency soon, but it will take place at a different time. Exactly. Some Indian crypto investors have welcomed the reports from MVTV. Redditor user, anyway, whatever, man. Look, fuck all that. So, and that's what I've been telling you all along. When you hear they want to ban crypto and they hate crypto, that's the wannabe money stuff. That's that shit there. They don't like that. No country likes it, really. They just don't like that shit. But distributed ledger technology services providers, buy your VeChain, your Stellars, your IOTAs, your Singularity Nets, your Polygon, your Matic, your Chainlinks. All right. They don't mind that because you're actually doing something, right? Like, you're benefiting the country. You're a viable company that's, giving services to something. You're doing something. You're tracking the supply chain, or you're, like Chainlink, giving price feeds or just whatever data, off-chain data onto the chain, right? Like, you're actually helping people. So that's different. Like we talked about here, India, 19 of its seaports, 19 of India's seaports right now already use Ethereum. They're using it right now as you speak. As you listen to this right now, Ethereum is being used in India. So India does not have a problem with distributed ledger technology services providers. They have a problem with the wannabe money stuff. All right, well, fuck that wannabe money shit. That's not our problem. That's not what me and you are invested in. And so fuck it. We don't give a fuck. All right, let's get the shout out thing on. Bang. What do we got? Roger, ready. Sounds like an Indian right here. Love with Jiva. Bang. Salman Rashid. You sound like one too. Yeah, all right, brother. All right. I'm being rude. Love with Jiva. Bang. Victor, you too. just kidding. Love with Jiva. Bang. Oh, yeah. Here's everybody right here. Look. Andrew Richard, the enforcer. Look. Huddle. Settle down. Juice worth the squeeze, fuck stick. The juice is worth the squeeze. Bang. Lever the cheaper. Bang. Tell him, Andrew. Whoops. What the fuck happened there? Lorna. All in down. She's going to get it all. Well, you better hurry up then buy. You better accumulate before she gets it all. Look. Lorna. Love your girl. See you girl. Bang. Centipede. Spy lady. Love you lady. See you lady. Bang. Haven't seen you for a couple days now. Banks. Love the cheaper. Bang. Technically Bush. Love the cheaper. Bang. Deep Entertainment. Soul brother. Yeah. Haha. Deep Entertainment. He's the soul brother. Love the cheaper. Bang. Son of a bitch. Look at him. Look at him. Get him. Look. Bang. Look. Bang. Look. Bang. Like a dirty cockroach. You got to get him. You got to get him. Squish him while you see him. He's right there on the wall. Squish him. Squish him. Squish him. Look. Airdropper. You son of a bitch. Love and see, brother. Bang. No savior. Bang. You get double bang. Why? Because I'm in a good mood. Why not? Grudgeable. Love and see, brother. Bang. Benjamin. Connecting the dots. Love and see, brother. Bang. Robbie Hardaway's been with us so long he's in pictures in black and white. Love and see, brother. Bang. KJ Gatsby, love and see, brother. Push that portfolio up that mountain, brother. The juice is worth the squeeze. Bye. And, what's this? A new one? Degen DeFi. Degen. Grind set. All right. Love and see with the bang. Whatever that meant. Whatever that meant. All right, look. Where's all the Michigan's? Up. Justin, whoops. Justin, a new subscriber, Justin O'Galey. I'm a gentle guy, friendly and hardworking. Good. Bye. Love you, brother. All right, that's everybody. All right, that's everybody, man. Let's just get back to the Death Star. Bye. Welcome back, everybody. All right. So, we had a great show for you today. Simple one, nothing special. But that's the crypto market. It's not every day is a not every day is fireworks. Some days it's just looking, bang, bang, and out of here. So this is what this is. It's a little bit of look, bang, bang, and we're out of here. We're out of here. So look, the SEC rejects WisdomTree Bitcoin ETF. Bang! You all know about ETFs. We all know about the SEC. Big brains and them homeboys rejected it. We don't need to get it anymore. Bang. So, first NFT, but this one's the interesting one. The NFT-focused ETF on the New York Stock Exchange today. So, again, that's why they're allowed to do it, because they're not investing in NFTs. They're investing in companies around NFTs. And, so you don't need the approval. You can just rock. And so, great. And we'll see how that goes. Bang. And then India to regulate, not ban crypto. And so we've been talking about that here for a while. That's always been my belief. I thought they would ban the wannabe money and then let all our regular distributed ledger technology service providers provide the service and be traded. And it sounds like that's what's happening, but you know how it goes, brothers and sisters. We've been watching India for a long, long time. What they say today is not necessarily what they're saying tomorrow. So we'll just keep our fingers crossed for this shit. But it is good. It is good. This is, and which it should be. It should be like that. I understand. You don't want that wannabe money stuff to fuck up your finances. Fine. But you don't have any problem with our Ethereums and our Polygons and our Chainlinks, do you? Of course not. Why would you? Yes. And so, all right. So that's how I think that's going to go down in the end. But as you know, we've been watching India for a while. They say one thing today, it's a whole other fucking thing tomorrow. And so we'll see how that goes. But it's going to be great. So don't worry about it. Bye. Let's chill it and kill it. Let's get you back to your wives and lives. Look, subscribe below, press the bell. You get an automatic notification when I do the show. The greatest show on earth. Bye. The greatest show in the multiverse. Look, my name's Shomari Clarke. Love talking money. Bye. Let's talk crypto. Bye. This is the favorite time of my day. So thank you for having me home, and I'll see you all tomorrow. Another fun fact-filled day of crypto talk. But until then, subscribe here. Bang. Watch that video there. Bang. Get your mind right. And I'll see you all tomorrow. My name's Shomari Clarke. Always watch the money. And look, I am always on duty. Bang. Love you guys. See y'all tomorrow. Over and out.